simple one, and us is much more than you heard. Two little letters come together and then loneliness is cured.